This video is of the first real flight of my new HoverAir X1 drone. While the X1 was hovering, I mounted my unicycle and started riding. It was a very unnerving experience. I've never had a noisy drone following 6 feet behind me. This is our local unicycle meetup. I like to slalom through the dots. The X1 seemed at times a little to the right, but it followed me real well. When I turned around, the X1 had to back up a little bit. Right there. I was impressed with the video quality and framing. There was no audio. I realized if I had brought my smartphone with the HoverAir app and set it up properly, that the phone would capture the audio and send it to the X1. I dismounted, turned around, and extended my hand. I had to walk forward before it would land on my hand.